Questions 6 and 7 bring together several important skills in IB Biology Paper 2. Before each explanation, pause the video, attempt the question, and count your independent scoring points. Then compare your answer with the full mark response. Can you get all 3 marks on this peptide question? Most students describe only one amino acid and miss the structure of the peptide. Pause the video now and try the question. A peptide is a chain of 2 or more amino acids. It has a repeating nitrogen-carbon-carbon backbone with different R groups attached to the central carbon atoms. The carboxyl group of one amino acid joins to the amino group of the next through a covalent peptide bond. This bond forms by a condensation reaction, so a molecule of water is removed. The chain also has an amino or N terminus and a carboxyl or C terminus. For 3 marks, remember amino acid chain, peptide bonds, and the repeating backbone with variable R groups. Follow by your exam coach for question 6b, where we explain the 4 human blood groups. Let's continue with question 6b. Humans have 4 main blood groups, A, B, AB, and O. These blood groups are determined by antigens found on the surface of the red blood cells. Group A has A antigens. Group B has B antigens. Group AB has both A and B antigens. Group O has neither A nor B antigens. These antigens are inherited genetically and are important during blood transfusions because incompatible blood can trigger an immune response. Remember this simple rule. A has A antigen. B has B antigen. AB has both. O has none. Follow Dr. Reza, Bio Exam Coach, for more IB Biology full mark answers. Now let's answer question 6c. The adaptive immune system is highly specific. Each lymphocyte recognizes only one particular antigen. When a pathogen enters the body, the matching lymphocyte is activated. It divides rapidly by mitosis to produce many identical cells. Some become plasma cells that produce antibodies. Others become memory cells that remain in the body for a long time. If the same pathogen enters again, memory cells respond much faster, producing a quicker and a stronger immune response. This is why vaccinations provide long-term protection. Follow Dr. Reza, Bio Exam Coach, for more IB Biology exam questions and full mark answers. Can you give us 3 structural differences between eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells? Pause the video now and try the question first. First, eukaryotic cells have a nucleus enclosed by a nuclear membrane, while prokaryotic cells have no nucleus and their DNA is found in a nucleide. Second, eukaryotic cells contain membrane-bound organelles, while prokaryotic cells do not. Third, eukaryotic cells have ATS cytoplasmic ribosomes, while prokaryotic cells have 70S ribosomes. For full marks, write every point as a direct comparison. Follow Bio Exam Coach for question 7b. 4 marks means 4 different advantages of compartmentalization. Can you identify all 4? Pause the video now and try. First, separate compartments can maintain different conditions, such as different pH or ion concentrations, so each reaction can occur under optimal conditions. Second, enzymes and their substrates can be concentrated together, increasing the efficiency of metabolic reactions. Third, incompatible or potentially harmful reactions can be separated from the rest of the cell, allowing different processes to occur at the same time. Fourth, the nuclear envelope separates transcription from translation. This allows messenger RNA to be possessed before it reaches ribosomes in the cytoplasm. For 4 marks, write 4 clearly different advantages. Follow Bioexam Coach for question 7C, the final question in SL Paper 2. This final question is worth 8 marks, and it has 2 parts: sexual reproduction and cross-pollination. Can you organize both parts clearly? Pause the video now and try. Male gametes develop inside pollen grains in the anthers, while the female gamete develops inside an ovule in the ovary. Pollination transfers pollen from an anther to a stigma. If the pollen is compatible, it germinates, and the pollen tube grows down through the style towards an ovule. The male gamete travels through the pollen tube and fuses with the egg cell. This fertilization produces a diploid zygote, which develops into an embryo inside a seed. Now consider cross-pollination. Plants can produce pollen before or after their stigma become receptive, preventing self-pollination. Male and female structures may also occur in separate flowers or on separate male and female plants. Self-incompatibility can prevent a plant's own pollen from fertilizing its ovules. Finally, wind or animals can transfer pollen between different plants. These mechanisms promote cross-pollination and increase genetic variation. That completes question 7 and the entire IB Biology SL 2026 Paper 2. That completes questions 6 and 7 of the 2026 IB Biology SL Paper 2. Identify which question costs you the most marks, and review its full mark answer again. Subscribe to Bioexam Coach. Next, we begin the 2026 IB Biology SL Paper 1, including Paper 1A and Paper 1B.